Hello, my friend of shared destiny. Try to still your heart and contemplate with me. There is a sacred moment taking place every night that we have long inadvertently forgotten. Most people assume that the body only begins to overhaul and heal once we have fallen deep into sleep. However, the profound wisdom from meditation masters points to a completely different truth. The most decisive moment is not while you are sleeping, but those few brief minutes right at the threshold of dreams. Imagine the moment when the lights have been turned off. The room in this foreign land becomes silent, and your physical form has lain peacefully under warm blankets. That is when the mind begins to slow down, and the boundary between wakefulness and dreaming becomes more fragile than ever. In many ancient meditative traditions, this is the golden moment to send a signal of peace to every cell. If you know how to loosen your consciousness at this exact moment, the body will receive the ultimate command to activate its deepest recovery mode from the very roots of vitality. Regrettably, most of us have inadvertently lost that precious moment throughout an entire lifetime due to lingering worries. Tonight, I invite you to discover the secret hidden at the bridge of sleep, to transform every long night into a brilliant journey of rebirth for your own being. That journey officially begins right now. The paradox of sleep. When the body lies down, but the mind stands guard. Dear friend, contemplate a morning waking up in a distant land when the first rays of sunlight gently touch the curtains, yet you find your body heavy and your soul weary as if it had never rested. There is a heartbreaking paradox occurring every night. We may sleep for a full 8 hours, yet the work of deep recovery never truly touches every blood vessel and muscle fiber. The profound truth is, the problem does not lie in your lack of sleep or a busy schedule. It lies in a silent state of vigilance within you. Meditation masters observe that modern humans often enter sleep with a nervous system still braced in extreme tension. Before closing our eyelids, we often unconsciously carry a whole world of agitation into bed, a distressing piece of news on a phone screen, calculations for tomorrow's work, or belated regrets as we replay the incomplete dialogues of today. In form, your body appears motionless in the darkness, but deep beneath the flesh, your vitality is actually in combat mode. Your nervous system is like a diligent but exhausted sentry. He refuses to lower his defensive weapons because he still senses the scent of danger from the endless streams of thought. When the nervous system has not received a definitive ceasefire command, the door to the kingdom of deep healing remains forever locked, making your sleep merely a temporary pause for the eyes, never a true rebirth for the soul. Wisdom of the detached, the sacred gate of dreams. Friend of shared destiny, let us still our hearts to contemplate a wisdom quietly preserved for centuries within ancient monasteries. Detached Zen masters, after thousands of hours of silent sitting and observing the rising and falling rhythm of existence, discovered a profound truth. Every night, we are not merely going to sleep, but actually stepping through a sacred threshold of consciousness. They call this fragile intersection between wakefulness and dreaming, the gate of sleep. In the vision of the deep forest monks, this is the time when your vitality becomes most sensitive and easily transformed. If you step through this gate with a mindset of complete letting go, a leisurely breath, and a body released from all shackles of tension, then sleep is no longer a meaningless blur. It becomes a pure sanctuary where vitality automatically flows to perform its divine function, silently mending subtle cellular fractures, restoring the resilience of the nervous system, and re-establishing a radiant source of energy for your being. The secret of the monks does not lie in any supernatural power, but in reconciliation with reality right at this threshold. They understand that if we carry the sword of worry or the shield of defense into dreams, we inadvertently shatter the natural recovery rhythm of creation. When that happens, the sacred gate suddenly becomes a cage of anxiety, leaving the body unable to find the harbor of rebirth, even when lying still. Therefore, every night before darkness completely covers the hermitage, the monks always perform a ritual to clarify the consciousness. They do not chase sleep. They only prepare an atmosphere of peace so that sleep finds its own way to perch on their eyelids. Tonight, I invite you to also be a monastic in your own home, learning to respect this sacred threshold to allow the greatest healing to take place within your veins and your breath. The biological code of recovery. Understand a profound and miraculous biological truth taking place beneath your flesh every night. Modern neuroscience today has begun to astonishingly confirm what monastics understood thousands of years ago. The human body is actually a masterpiece of peerless autonomic wisdom. In the brief minutes at the threshold of dreams, your living system performs a spectacular shift. It is the transition from the sympathetic nervous system, which you have long used to combat the noise and responsibilities of life abroad, to the parasympathetic nervous system, the kingdom of rest and overhaul. The very moment the peace command is sent, your heart rate will gently slow down like a temple bell in the clear night. The chest opens for the deepest and most leisurely breaths, and muscle groups that have been silently braced throughout a long day begin to receive a sacred license to melt completely into the support of the mattress. At that point, the brain stops arranging the equations of the world, making way for the production of sophisticated chemical signals to repair every cellular tissue, balance hormonal flow, and clear out metabolic waste accumulated in the neurons. However, friend of shared destiny, this miraculous machine is more sensitive than you imagine. If the mind is still rippled by a worry for children or stimulated by the hurried noise from a phone screen, then this sacred transition process will be immediately blocked at the threshold. Then, even if you close your eyes for 8 hours, your body remains stuck in a wearying survival mode. You wake up heavy, not because of a lack of sleep, but because your nervous system refused to sit down to be healed. Tonight, I want to invite you to learn how to send a definitive peace signal, returning sovereignty to your innate wisdom through the 3-minute ritual we are about to explore. For the most radiant revival always sprouts from the most complete letting go. The Night Reset Ritual, the minimalist secret of the monks. Imagine a monk leisurely walking toward his hermitage as twilight falls in a distant land. He does not hurriedly throw himself onto the cushion to force himself to sleep immediately in exhaustion. Instead, he spends exactly 3 sacred minutes performing a ritual of renunciation, a gentle bridge leading the soul away from the agitations of the world to return to the harbor of original silence. Friend of shared destiny, I want to return to you that very minimalist secret tonight. This ritual is absolutely not a complex technique, nor is it a mental exercise requiring further effort from you. At this age, after a lifetime of wandering and hardship, your soul needs no further burdens or tasks. What you need is simply total presence for exactly 3 brief minutes at the moment you stand at the threshold of darkness. This ritual is composed of 3 pure steps. The first step is to stop all stimulation. Gently move away from the phone, dim the bright lights, and return original silence to the space around you. This is how you directly signal to the senses that today's work session has officially concluded. The second step is to slow down the breath. Do not effort to control it. Just let the breath be free, like the flow of a silent river. As the breath soothes, you are directly nurturing the nervous system, whispering to every cell that the war has ended and danger is no longer here. And the final step is to completely loosen the mind. Let every worry, every responsibility, and every earthly role drift away like mist, returning to you a hollow, pure being. These 3 minutes do not exist for you to create healing through a demanding will. They exist only for you to send a definitive biological code. Today is truly over. Now, the kingdom of recovery is allowed to begin. Only when you courageously step aside does healing vitality truly have the space to flow most radiantly throughout the night. We will gently enter the first sacred moment together right now. Minute 1. Returning to take refuge in physical sensation. Hello. Now that you are truly lying still in your warm bed after a long day of hardship in a distant land, let the silent space envelop you like a soft cocoon. In this first minute, the most important thing I want you to remember is, do not try to sleep. Throughout a lifetime, we have become too accustomed to having to effort to achieve a result. But sleep and healing are actually graces of nature. They never accept coercion. Therefore, at this moment, perform the most courageous act of consciousness. Simply lie still. Let the entire weight of your body be completely surrendered to the support of the mattress. Gently recognize the mattress is persistently and tolerantly carrying the burden for your shoulders that are weary from responsibilities, embracing the back that is tired from the years, and soothing the feet that have traversed many turns in life. Monks call this the ritual of returning to the body, the most sacred homecoming for the soul. In meditative wisdom, the body is the most solid anchor of the present. When you stop letting the mind wander into uneasy premonitions about old age or unspoken worries for children, and instead bring attention back to feel the weight of your hands, the quiet pulse of your blood vessels, the bridge of peace will begin to be established. You know, the moment you truly lie still without carrying any task or plan, your brain will recognize an ultimate biological code. The danger has passed. The war has truly ended. When the no more danger signal is sent, your nervous system sentry finally receives the license to lay down his arms. Muscle areas that were silently braced around the jaw, eyes, and chest will begin to receive orders to melt completely into the void. You are returning a vast space to your body, so it can begin its most sacred overhaul function at the cellular level. Just let yourself sink deep, leisurely, in the absolute stillness of this first minute. Minute 2. The bridge of breath and the command of peace. As your body begins to find stability in the silence of the first step, I invite you to step on to the next level of the ritual, awakening the sacred bridge of breath. Understand this tolerant truth. Breath is the only language your physical temple thoroughly understands. In Buddhist wisdom, breath is not merely a physical exchange of oxygen. It is the gentle rope holding tight the boat of consciousness drifting in an ocean of worry, bringing it back to take refuge in the harbor of the present. In this second minute, I invite you not to try to be a commander who always wants to mold the breath to his will. Just gently perform the most subtle adjustment of consciousness. Breathe in very gently through the nose, and then exhale very slowly, very smoothly, prolonging that breath slightly more than the inhale. Imagine your exhale now is like a sigh of relief after you have dropped the road dust of a long day of hardship in a distant land. You know, when you actively prolong the exhale, a biological miracle begins to operate deep within every neuron. Science calls this the activation of the vagus nerve, the largest cable transmitting peace in humans. Every leisurely exhale is a definitive ceasefire command sent to the heart and the brain. You will feel your heart rate gently slow down, rhythmic and stable, like a temple bell in the clear night. Your brain, which has long been tight as a guitar string in defense mode, now recognizes the safety signal to officially step back into silence. Many detached Zen masters have reminded us, breath is the bridge connecting body and mind. When that bridge becomes still and pure, all agitation of consciousness will automatically dissolve. You do not need to restlessly chase sleep through a demanding will. Just by surrendering completely to this gentle bridge of breath, sleep will naturally find its way to perch on your eyelids as a grace of heaven and earth. Let the air continue to flow, leisurely and free like that. For vitality is beginning to be revived right within your own breath. Minute 3. Sacred renunciation. When ashes need not hold the fire. Imagine your consciousness now as a radiant auditorium that has completed today's long performance. The lights are off, the audience has left, and the velvet curtain has closed completely. My friend of shared destiny, the most silent tragedy that keeps us tossing and turning is the act of intentionally relighting the candle in the middle of the night to busily repair scenes that have truly passed into the past. At the final step of the ritual, I invite you to perform a gesture of wisdom. Let today rest in peace. Stop relentlessly analyzing words already spoken. Stop arranging unfulfilled plans in this distant land, and do not judge whether you have done well enough today. Gently whisper within the mind a mantra full of liberating power. Today is truly complete. Please listen carefully to the weight of this affirmation. This is not escaping responsibility, but a definitive biological command sent to the brain. The moment your mind recognizes total closure, the nervous system will automatically withdraw from the state of vigilance to yield the entire space to the deepest recovery mode. You shed the cloak of the family breadwinner, shed the role of one who must always worry for children, to return as a pure being dissolving into the tolerant arms of the night. When the mind no longer holds on, the body will naturally revive. Tonight, allow yourself to become anonymous in the boundless silence. It is this absolute letting go that is the most precious elixir, helping your every cell be purified and reborn most brilliantly before the dawn awakens. Everything is done. Just let yourself drift in the grace of this stillness. The silent thieves of peace. Friend of shared destiny, join me in identifying a subtle paradox silently occurring in the bedrooms of millions in this distant land. For so long, we have inadvertently nurtured toxic habits at the very moment the being needs purity most to revive. It is when you let the blue light from a phone screen trick the brain into thinking dawn is coming, causing the sacred biological rhythm of nature to be completely overturned. It is when you relentlessly consume news full of agitation, dramatic debates, or worries over unfinished work right before closing your eyes. You must empathize with this profound biological truth. When you ingest such toxic food for the mind, the brain will immediately be locked in combat mode. It cannot hand over the power of operation to the recovery nervous system because it is still busy processing the heavy bursts of information. As a result, even if your physical body is motionless for 8 hours, inside, stress hormone levels are silently eroding the vitality of every tired cell. You are sleeping in vigilance, not in grace. Just a few minutes of courageously refusing those agitations, just letting the phone be far from your reach, and letting the world outside wait outside the window, you are performing an act of the highest self-respect. Do not let digital illusions or trivial worries steal the unique opportunity for your body to be purified. A brief pause in absolute silence is the most precious elixir, carrying the power to completely change the quality of vitality and return the radiance of your being to you upon awakening. Contemplate the image of a tiny, fragile key that nevertheless carries the power to fling open the most majestic city gate. Friend of shared destiny, meditative wisdom understands a profound truth. The greatest healing of the soul does not always come from stormy efforts or grand changes out there. Sometimes, it quietly sprouts from the most subtle moments that the world often inadvertently walks past. The moment right at the threshold of dreams is such a sacred small door. When you courageously enter the darkness with a leisurely breath, a physical form completely melted into surrender, and a consciousness as light as mist, you are performing the highest act of self-respect for yourself. You do not need to command, nor do you need to control, for in the absolute silence of the black night, your body will automatically perform the most sacred divine function that it inherently understands more thoroughly than any physician, that of reviving itself. Engrave this final affirmation to lead tonight's sleep. The most brilliant rebirth of vitality always begins from the most complete letting go at the threshold of darkness. Tonight, allow yourself to rest in the grace of this stillness. You have gone far enough. You have done well enough for today. Now, let the body perform its miracle. May you wake in the morning with a radiant being, a clear mind, and a heart full of joy. Thank you for your trust and for accompanying me on the path of awareness. Goodbye and sleep very well.